Says here, borrow from yourself, which is basically your home equity, not the bank. This is what is dangerous about getting or borrowing on home equity. You miss a payment on your home equity loan, they will foreclose on you and throw you out of your house. But if you make a bank loan without the house, what they can do is take you to court for the payments. Okay, they can collect, but you still got a roof over your head. Not when you get a home equity loan, they will take your house just by missing one payment.